Today we are going to study De Morgan's theorem. There are two theorems. First of all, we will go for the first, and the first theorem states that the complement of the product of A and B is equal to complement of A plus complement of B. Let us draw the logic diagram for this equation. So, A dot B complement is nothing but an AND gate. This is A, this is B, and this is A dot B negation. Similarly, this will be NOT. This is A, this is A negation. Similarly, this is B negation. And the product of, the sum of the two is OR. Okay? This is Y, or we can say A negation plus B negation. So let us prove this with the help of truth table. So let us draw the truth table for this first De Morgan theorem. This is A, B, A dot B, then A dot B negation, then A negation, B negation, and A negation plus B negation. Okay, so let us start with this. So when both the input A and B is 0, A dot B will be again 0, negation of A dot B will be 1. Negation of A is 1, negation of B is 1, and the sum of the two is again 1. When A is 0, B is 1, that time also A dot B is 0, negation of this is 1, negation of A is 1, negation of B is 0, so the sum of the two will be 1. When A is 1 and B is 0, then again A dot B is 0, negation of A dot B is 1, negation of A is 0, negation of B is 1, and the sum of the two is again 1. If suppose both the inputs are 1, then A dot B is 1, negation of A dot B is 0, and negation of A is 0, and negation of B is again 0, and the sum of the two will be 0. So here we had seen A dot B negation means this column, and A negation plus B negation, that is this column. We can observe clearly the two columns are same. So from this we can say that according to De Morgan theorem, the complement of product of A and B is equal to sum of complement of A and complement of B. This is our first De Morgan theorem. Okay, now start with the second one. Let us see the second De Morgan's theorem. So our second De Morgan theorem is complement of sum of A and B is equal to product of complement of A and complement of B. Now let us draw the truth table, or first we will see the logic gates for this and then we'll go for the truth table. So A plus B, that is nothing but the OR. This is OR, and its negation is this. This is A, this is B, and this is A plus B negation. Okay, which is nothing but negation of A is, suppose this is A, this is the negation of A, that is A bar. Again this is B, and this is negation of B, that is B bar. Okay, and it is the product of 2. So this is nothing but the AND gate. Okay, so this is A bar dot B bar. Okay, so let us start with the truth table. Again we'll draw the truth table to verify this De Morgan's second law, and again we have A, B, then A negation, B negation, then A plus B negation, and A negation dot B negation. Okay, so let us start. So suppose initially we will take both the input as 0. A is 0, B is 0. Negation of A and B will be 1, 1. Then A plus B negation, A and B both are 0. So OR of this is again 0 and its negation will be 1. Now negation of A is 1, negation of B is 1 and its product will be again 1. Now A is 0, B is 1. Negation of A will be 1, negation of B will be 0. Its product will be, its sum of A plus B is 1 and its negation will be 0. Here negation of A is 1, negation of B is 0 and its product will be 0. Similarly, when A is 1 and B is 0, A negation will be 0, B negation will be 1 and the sum of this will be 1 and its negation will be 0. Similarly, for the product A negation 0, B negation 1, product will be 0. So here it is 0. The last stage is 1, 1. When both the inputs are high, that is 1, 1. A negation will be 0, B negation will be 0 and sum of A plus B is 1 and its negation will be again 0. Here A negation, B negation, this is both are 0, so its product will be again 0. So from these two columns it is clear that the two are equal and this proves the De Morgan's second theorem, that is negation of sum of A plus B is equal to negation of A dot negation of B, and this proves our second De Morgan's law. With this I stop here. Thank you.